Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can fix Roblox memory dump error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information that I am going to tell you or show you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do is to restart your PC. So if you have encountered the memory dump error while trying to access Roblox, the first thing that you have to try is to simply restart your device. So while this is a very basic step, it can solve a number of issues with the application. So turn your PC off while and wait for a while, and then you can restart it. So then launch Roblox and see if the error persists. And if it did, what you can do next is to erase temporary cache files from Roblox. So to do that, first open your file explorer and then go to this PC. And then you can open your C drive and then just click onto the user folder. And then in there, open your username folder and then open the app data folder. And if you can locate the app data folder on this screen, just click onto the view button from the drop down menu and click onto the show option and enable the hidden items option. And in the app data folder, head to the local folder, and after this, just go to the temp folder and locate the subfolder named Roblox. So right click on this Roblox subfolder and then select delete. So launch the game and see if the error is fixed. So remember, you can always pause this video and follow the steps at your own time. And then next, what you can do is to clear cache files on the browser. So open the Roblox page on your browser and just right click on it. And from the context menu, just click onto the inspect and click and open the application tab, and then just select the storage from the left side panel. And then locate and click onto the clear site data option. And after this, just check whether the issue persists. And if it did, you can go ahead and follow the next step, which is to register DNS server and run network reset commands. So just to do this, you can type in the control panel in your Windows search box and then just open the first option to pop up. And then in there, just click onto the network and internet option and then just select the network and sharing center. Just locate the Ethernet option corresponding to the connection button and just click on it, and then click on to the properties in that window and then just open the Internet Protocol version 4 and enable use the following DNS server option, and you can set your preferred DNS to 48 so 8.8.8.8 and then alternate server to 8844, and then just select apply and then choose OK. So then disable Internet Protocol version 6 and then just close the window. And then what you would do next is just simply type the CMD or command in your Windows search box and then just run the application as administrator. So type in each the following codes and hit enter and keep hitting enter. So this is the code right here. So you can go ahead and pause this video and follow this code right here. And then once all the commands are entered, restart your PC and this should fix the problem. And then lastly, what you can do is to update the GPU drivers. So to do that, just press the Windows plus X keys together to open the quick link menu and click on the device manager. So open the display adapters, locate your dedicated GPU and right click on it. So from the drop down menu, just select update driver. And then in there, click onto the search automatically for drivers. So as you can see here in this picture, and let Windows install and update your GPU drivers. So note, you can also update the drivers through the official support software of your GPU manufacturer or through the official websites. So that's it for this video. And remember, you can always pause this video and follow pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.